This is Mama Shira. Welcome to DIY Mama Tribe, where you can find DIYs and crafts for moms, home, and baby. Today I'm doing some laundry room organization. This is the tragic before picture. We have in this area our washer and dryer, as well as a utility sink, a bunch of tools, a giant toolbox. All of our cleaning supplies live in here. Our work gloves, latex gloves, the cat boxes are in here. It's all kinds of jumbled madness. So just take this journey with me as I try to straighten it all out. Unfortunately, during the recording of this, our washing machine is busted. It broke down, so we're actually waiting on a new one. So there are some installs that I will add to this organization of this room, but I couldn't because we have to make room for a new washing machine. So as you start any organization project, I'm just trying to clear the area one space at a time. I start with the floor, as well as the wall where I have some of our supplies hanging, like our brooms and mops, some of our yard supplies as well. And I decided to just 86 this rug. I don't know what I was thinking with having rugs in the mudroom, but that was not a good call, ladies and gentlemen. That was very bad. So I'm just cleaning up the floor as it was under the rugs. Cleaning out the area where we keep the cat boxes, as well as all of this. I got paint supplies, I got cleaning supplies. It's a lot of stuff. I do intend to repurpose those rugs, maybe use them for outdoors only. Got new boxes for the cats. And before, I didn't have anything on this top shelf, but I realized that's just dead space. So I wanted to put stuff there that, I just didn't need a whole lot, didn't need often, and could have access to it. This room also has a bathroom. It's like a little half bath. So what I did was put my paint, like any cans that still had paint in them, over the cat boxes because they can't get damaged in there. And all of my paint supplies I stacked on the shelving behind the toilet in the little half bath. So they're still kind of close together in the same area, but I'm not stacking anything else in there. So it was a perfect spot for my paint supplies. Better than shoved in the corner, jumbled up for sure. I feel like this is the perfect place to make it officially the laundry shelf. I just have to make sure I get all of my laundry needs set up and organized, just in a way that works. There's no one way to organize a room, but you want to think about, how am I going to use this room? How do I usually, how do I make it flow? So that top shelf I actually cleared of some of our yard equipment, and I decided that my cleaning supplies for the Swiffer should go there. For Swiffer Dry and Swiffer Wet and Swiffer Dusters. So a lot of swifting going on. Here, now this toolbox is going to be a whole other, it needs its own like time dedicated. But as for right now, I am repositioning it to make a little charging station for all of our yard tools. We use one brand, Husqvarna, and so all of those things run off of the same type of charger. So I just wanted to keep those all together. So I have my power tools above the toolbox, as well as the charging stands for the drill, as well as the yard stuff there. And all of our power cords are they are called extension cords. Yes, all of those I just bungeed right up under there, attached to the shelf. And now I'm trying to organize all of our cleaning supplies by room, I guess. Bathroom stuff, floor stuff, kitchen stuff. That was almost done on its own, so that was a pretty easy part. And now this shelf, I don't know why we kept all these plumbing supplies from when we replaced all of the, not all of the plumbing, but we replaced all of the toilets in the house when we first moved in, as well as all of the shower heads. So why we kept the old ones, I don't know, but it was time for them to go. And since we buy energy efficient bulbs, there's no need to keep them on a bottom shelf. So I just moved those up and made this bottom shelf our gloves, like all our work gloves and stuff that we're always reaching for. And so guys, here's how it came out. It's so much more functional. Like, have a bucket for all the car stuff. The laundry is even organized while I wait for a new machine to arrive. Our disinfectants next to the gloves. It just works so much better now. All of our tools are in the same area. Yeah, this room has about 10 times more function now. And that bag of bags, we always are reaching for plastic bags, so it's just the easiest way to store them. So thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I have lots more to share with you. Bye.